go. Does that look good? Yes, it does. Okay. So now we are going to move this just a little bit, just for a little bit. Okay. It's right here. Wow. It's not that cool. I'm trying to be honest here, but I really can't. That is not cool. Okay. It's like just so little stuff. Let's put that away. What did it get? There's literally nothing on the table that it could get stuck on. There. Okay. Time for the muffins. Just going to cut this open. I know, my scissors are not that cool. They're black. Move this, and then let's see, how do these things open? Uh-oh! I just spilt all of them. Never mind, I only spilled 2. Spilt does not seem like the right word. Anyways, so here, just gonna put a few in because, like, then I'll put this, like, right here. So this is what it's looking like. And then we're gonna just put 2 right here. Well, no, I'm gonna see what the visual actually looks like. It looks the complete opposite. Okay. This thing is, okay. Just so you know, I rate stuff in all my videos, so going to rate this at the end. So let's just do like that. Then they switch to here. And then right here. And then we are going to just cut this open. All right. Okay, first cookie. It's a heart cookie. It's plain. I have never seen a chocolate cookie before. Like, have you guys ever seen a chocolate cookie? How do these things come out? Hello? There. Throw all the trash over there. Now, we could use the tray, but we're not. We're gonna use this little cute thing. So they laid one down, and then, oh, I think that's kind of like really cute. And then just like, okay, this is not working that well. Just doing it like this. So, do you think it looks so good so far? I mean, I have no idea. I'm sorry, it was not working, okay? So we're just gonna do like this. Or you know what, we're just gonna lay them down. Cause I think it just looks cuter that way. And then we're gonna do 4. at the bottom. I wish it came with glue, or no, not glue, resin to put right at the bottom so it'll stay. But that is what they're looking like. And I am going to, well, let's see. I have no idea what. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did not know it was supposed to go like that. It looks kind of blurry though. I did not do it on the wrong side. I promise. But we're just gonna put, look at sun-baked sweets. So we're gonna take that off and put it on there. Okay, so this is gonna be, I need blueberry. Do we really not have? You know, on second thought, we're gonna use the tray to put it right here. And we're gonna put, why did I do that? I have no idea. I'm just gonna restock the first one with yellow, with vanilla. They are not yellow, they are not lemon flavored. And then we're going to do this, this, and this. And then we're gonna this thing is so slippery. Well, should we do the chocolate up here or right here? I'm gonna do it right here. Or something, choco. So we're just gonna put that there. And then just lay them down. Just like this. So. I wish they kind of gave us more cookies. There. See? Okay. Now, there's like sun-baked sweets, it says. I have no idea. And then it says, let's do on this side. Let's do something on the side. Maybe sun-baked sweets. I know I already said that. But let's just do it on the side. Because they didn't tell us what it did actually, like it didn't actually tell us where we can put everything. But you know, I think I'm gonna change chocolate. And put it right here. Oh wait, I can see it in the picture. Right here, it's supposed to have a little thing. You see, it's right there. We're supposed to put it on the shelf. Okay. Let's just take everything off again because this thing doesn't have any sort of stuff that can make all the treats stay on. So we're just going to do like that. That looks better. Okay. Now that is there. So now we're just gonna do like that. And you know, I'm gonna actually move these to up here. Okay, I just dropped it again. Okay. This is kind of tall, so I know you can't see, but I'm just doing the order that I did last time. So, let's see. And then I think I'm gonna put these right there. And then I'm gonna put the vanilla sticker right here. And then I'm going to, let's see. Yep, didn't tell us, but we can do like this. Well, I kind of want to put them all together at the end. So, should I do bakery special sun-baked sweets, 20% off dozen cupcakes? We don't sell cupcakes. Like, or we could make, do bake the world a better place. It's cookie o'clock. We are on sale. Half off all cookies and just eat them. Okay, we're probably gonna do this one because we don't have any cupcakes yet. We are going to have cupcakes, hopefully. See, this is what I've been looking at. It will not focus, whatever I do. Okay, so where should we put the, we could do like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do like this. I know it's the tray, but we have to be creative because I don't have anything else to put this on. See? Then it can just be like a little poster. Then just like hang it up somewhere or something. Now we're just gonna organize this a little bit. You know, I'm just gonna put it up top because, I mean, I can like, because there's really nothing I can put. Like, oh, you know what? I can do something. I can move these cupcakes off and just put them on the counter. And then I can put this right here and lay the cookies on them. That's better. So let's just do like this. Okay. They don't really fit, so I'm just gonna put them overlapping each other. It might not look that good, but anyways, here it is. And then we do have this poster that I made. Wait, do you think it could? It will not stay right there. That would be cool if it did. But there it is. Comment down below what you would do if you had this, or give me a picture of what you did. And so yeah, if you got it, show me a picture of what, like how you decorated it, how you put everything. And if you got this same thing, tell me which one that you did get. The next thing that I'm looking for is, or that I want, is probably bakery stand. See? Or, probably bakery stand, or the ice cream stand, or the salad stand. But I would take whatever. So, I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Bye!